everyone, this is Sheetal Sapin Matre, and today we are going to see how your coming week is going to be. So, for today's picker card reading, we have three options. Option number one is this iron. Let me keep it over here. Option number two is this miniature machine, sewing machine. And option number three is this typewriter. So these are your three options. In case if you're confused as to which option you should choose, you can simply take three pieces of paper, write 1, 2 and 3 in those three papers. Just ask dear God, Goddess, Archangels how my coming week is going to be, and pick up one piece of paper. Whatever number that piece of paper has, that's your pile. So in case if you pick up a piece of paper and it shows 3 number, so this is the pile reading that you should look into. So this is how the piles are. Now I'll take you through a quick close-up. All right, just a moment. Okay, let me show you this closely. That's the iron, option number 1, option number 2, and option number 3, the typewriter. All right, I hope this is close enough for you guys. All right, so let's get started. Hello pile 1. So all those of you have chosen this beautiful iron. Let's see how your coming week is going to be. We're going to see a lot of things, message regarding your health, what you need to surrender in order to have a good week ahead, and a lot of other stuff. Group 1, week ahead. I've already shuffled the deck, so don't worry if you feel I'm not shuffling it enough. Let's see what you need to do to nurture yourself. I'm drawn to this particular card. Let's see what changes are coming your way. Oh, you got 2 cards. All right. Let's see what blessings are coming your way. Message regarding your finances. What you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Message regarding your health. Oh, you got 2 cards. All right. So these are your message. Let me just zoom the camera a little bit. Okay, so that becomes more better. So first let's see your tarot cards, and then we will see your oracle cards as well. Okay. All right. The first card that you have got, okay, I will just make this straight. All right, so the first card that you have got is 4 of Pentacles. So clearly this card is saying that you may try to control things. All right, so this card is asking you that do not be so controlling. Go with the flow. Whatever changes your coming week is offering you, accept those changes. Don't be resistant towards them, because if you are going to resist those changes, then things are going to get very difficult. So be open to changes, be more flexible during the week ahead. Also this particular card is asking you to save. Okay, it's very important that you plan your finances. So in the beginning of the week, planning your finances is going to be of utmost importance. Some of you may have some sort of headache, your head may get heavy, so do see a doctor. And do not worry about any kind of insecurity which may happen around you. I feel that situation around you may be somewhat, not stable, and this unstable environment that you will be in may lead to a lot of insecurity. So this card is asking you to let go of insecurity and go with the flow. Okay, let's see your next card over here. You have got the Judgment card. So this particular card is telling me that communication is important. You are going to focus a lot on communication. Yes, some of you are going to do some sort of ancestral rituals for your ancestors. I also feel that some secrets which were hidden may come out and may make you feel uncomfortable, but this truth is important. Also, Archangel Gabriel is going to be with you and she is going to guide you beautifully. It is the right time to review, okay, to review how you have been doing in life, what needs to change, what needs to go, what needs to kind of be balanced. Sort of reviewing is going to happen in the midweek especially. But clearly communication is going to be important. You are going to reach more people. All right, let's see your next card. Wow, the Ace of Wands. So definitely guys, your weekend looks very interesting. Lot of new activity. Some of you may try something absolutely different during the weekend. There is going to be a lot of creativity, new beginnings happening during the weekend. You are going to start something very, very interesting. There is going to be a lot of high energy, enthusiasm happening in the during the weekend. I also feel that some of you are going to make some travel plans. I know the pandemic is still on, but still people are traveling. So if I look at your cards, okay, over here, what I am getting is from this cards, all right, that there would be something, okay, which would bother you during the beginning of the week and make you insecure. However, what you will do is you will let go, okay, you let go of all this insecurity and you will surrender to the divine. You'll be like, you know what, let it be. And the angels are going to help you, because as you see, the skeleton which is over here is lying in this coffin. So this skeleton is not able to catch hold of this people, right? So whatever negativity may try to bother you during the starting of the week will lie behind, and you will you will be in the safety of the divine protection. All right, and this safety, okay, once you take the divine help, you will be completely and clearly starting fresh. All right, isn't that beautiful? All right, so now let's see your next card regarding message for your health. So you got alternative medicines. So some of you are going to explore alternative medicines like homeopathy, Ayurveda, acupuncture, or you may research something on that. You may read a book on that, or you may discuss about it regarding regarding the same with a friend. So it could be Reiki, it could be any sort of alternative therapy. You got divine intervention. So during the week ahead, there will be the divine will create miracles in your health. Now that does not mean you do not visit a doctor. Please understand that you have to visit the doctor if you have any kind of medical condition or you're not comfortable. All right, but there will be a divine intervention which will kind of see you through. All right, but do visit a doctor. All right, now let's see what you need to surrender to your soul's path. So very interesting, this is what these two cards are also telling you. Over here this guy is resisting, okay, is resisting, and over here he's surrendering to whatever the soul path is. This particular souls are surrendering to the angel. So even this card is asking you to surrender. All right, see, we all have this inner GPS, okay, which is guiding us as to what we need to do, where we need to go. So listen to this GPS that is there in your within you. Listen to it. All right, and that's how you're going to grow. Let's see message regarding your finances. So God is your source. Now see how interesting, again your card is resonating with this, not only this two but the three tarot cards. Okay, let me show you over here. So all right, over here this particular skeleton is attacking this man. All right, and he's scared. Okay, but in the next picture, in the next image that you're seeing of the tarot card, this particular souls, okay, have surrendered to the divine, okay, to the angel. All right, and since they have surrendered to the angel, there is new beginning. So this card is asking you that God is your source. You don't have to worry that from where the finances are going to come, how the finances are going to shape up. Okay, just take action. All right, take action and have faith that the divine is going to open new doors for you, and that is why you got this card, surrender to your soul's path. Okay, which is again emphasizing that the divine is with you. And if you see these two cards which you have got in tarot, okay, there's this divine hand coming out of the sky, and helping this particular and offering help. All right, so there is so God is going to help you out. There's an angel in this which is helping this souls. So definitely have faith that God is your source and everything is being taken care of. Don't worry about the how part of it, just simply take action. Okay, let's see what blessing is coming your way. You got blessing for peace of mind. So this is so beautiful, guys. So this week a lot of peace is going to come in your life. The chaos that was there is going to go away and lead to a lot of peace and happiness and joy. I also feel some of you may enroll into some sort of meditation class or some spiritual class or something which is going to really help you to be more in sync with your inner GPS. Let's see what changes are going to come in your life the week ahead. You got two cards. Okay, you got keep the faith. So you know what, how that's why I love how the oracle cards add so many layers to the tarot cards as well. So even though the week, okay, may start up, okay, with a little bit of insecurity, all right, your faith, okay, you're going to keep your faith. You're not going to let anything affect your faith, and since you have kept your faith strong, okay, the divine will is going to bless you. All right, so that's the changes that's going to happen. Let's see the next change. Self-care. So this particular week you are going to take care of yourself more. Even though you're going to be busy, you will ensure that you will pay attention. You'll pay attention to yourself. Early in the earlier weeks you were like okay, fine, earlier, like, otherwise you always tend to put yourself in last, but this week you'll ensure that you'll put yourself first and take care of yourself. Okay, that's so beautiful. Let's see a self-care card. I can't wait to see it. Okay, sync with the moon. In the beginning of this reading itself, I did tell you that there is an inner GPS which you need to tune into, and this particular inner GPS is going to guide you. So this card is asking you to pay attention to your intuition, to your creativity. Stay hydrated and listen to what your inner GPS is trying to tell you. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Now let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. Let me remove the cards. Sorry, let me remove the divination tools. This is my favorite card. Okay, let's pick this up. So first we will remove some words. Okay, so as usual, I'm going to, the reason I'm using spatula nowadays because it really helps me to mix the words pretty well, and it helps me to kind of, remove the words pretty properly. All right. Let me remove some charms. Right. Some angel numbers. Okay. Also remove some alphabets. I use my hands for this. Alright. Let's remove some universe messages. Alright, just give me a moment, guys. So So let's see all of this one by one. We'll first start with the charms. You got the plain charms, so definitely some of you are going to travel, or you may have some travel plans, or something is going to take flight. All right, you did get the bird charm as well. So again, two charms which are showing taking off. Okay, something which is stuck will take off. You got the lock charm. Now this lock is open, so something which was stuck again is going to get it's going to get momentum. Let's see the words that I got. Your culture. So maybe you may celebrate something which is of your culture, or you may have some food or something which reminds you of your heritage, of your culture. You got children. Wow, sort of creativity. Okay, and not surprisingly, you did get the sync with the moon. All right, so I feel that some of you are going to be very creative. Some of you are actually going to spend time with children. If you don't have your own children, you may babysit somebody's child, or maybe your nephew, niece, or maybe some fur baby. You got the fact. So something which is true is going to be unveiled. All right. Interesting. Now let's see the universe messages that you got. You got focus on being better than you yesterday. So you have to focus on your growth. Don't compare yourself with others. You got Cancer and Libra. So maybe you are a Cancer or a Libra. You got one more sign over here, which is Scorpio. So maybe you're a Libra, Cancer, or Scorpio. Somebody who is a Libra, Cancer, or a Scorpio. I'm sorry for this background noise. Okay. All right. So this particular signs, maybe you are one, or maybe you'll meet somebody who is of that sign. You got bless this mess. So I feel this is hinting towards this card. All right. So even if things look this mess that is there, bless it, okay? Because that's going to make you really feel that it is going to get you closer to the divine. Your faith is going to increase. So bless this mess. It's going to be like a blessing in disguise. You got the number 58. So I feel some of you, there's going to be a major change in your abundance. Some of you are going to receive money from somebody who borrowed it from you, like for some of you, okay? Or you may just receive abundance. You got the number 43. So you have been praying for finances, and that is the reason the angels and the God, Goddess, and Ascended Masters are blessing you. Now let's see what words you have got. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, or your whole name, or some word which needs your attention. Or it could be somebody else's first name, middle name, last name, initials. So you got OYECFHETON. So these are the words that you have got. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So think about a question for the week ahead, and let me spin the wheel for you. The answer that you have got is between no and better. So whatever you ask for, the answer is no. You'll get something better. That's beautiful, guys. Now this was how your week is going to be ahead, guys. I hope you enjoyed this pick a card. I'll see you again with a special video for the week ahead. I hope you have seen this week's special video, which is regarding your child's future guidance regarding their career, academics. If not, I'll post that video link in the description column below. You can have a look at that. Bye bye. Hello group 2, let's see how your week ahead is going to be. So are you excited? Because I am quite excited for your reading. So let's start with the changes coming your way in the week ahead. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself in the week ahead. How can you take the best care of yourself? Let's see your finances. Let's see what blessings are going to come your way. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Guidance regarding your health. cards. Okay. And now let's see your tarot cards. Alright, so let's start your reading. We'll first start with the tarot cards. The first card that you have got is the Judgment card. Interestingly, even the card, even the previous group got the same cards. So this card is saying that you are going to, I feel with this card that you're going to sit and evaluate things. You're going to sit and evaluate a lot of stuff regarding your life. Especially you are going to be like, you know what, who is, you're going to, I personally feel you're going to evaluate your relationships. You're going to be like, you know what, these people are toxic, they are not really, I have been trying to mend things with them, but things are really not working. So maybe I should kind of just let them be, and let myself be, and not just waste my time on them. So I feel that you're going to evaluate your relationships in the beginning of the week. Yes, communication is going to be important. You are going to let go of your past and move on. You're going to focus on your future. You're going to ensure that I feel that some of you are going to do some sort of spiritual, activity, ritual, or something to do, maybe something to do with prayers. Okay, that is what you're going to start your week with, is what I'm getting. Let's see your next card. You got the King of Wands. All right. So definitely, there is going to be a very confident man, successful man, who is going to help you in order to move ahead. This particular person is going to offer you amazing guidance. Listen to him. It could be a woman as well who is very successful. So listen to this person. All right. I also feel that you are going to dress really very confidently. You are going to spend time shopping in the coming week, especially your wardrobe. You want to kind of revamp your wardrobe, is what I am getting with this card as well. But yes, you're going to bring in that fire element in your life. You're going to ensure that there is more of enthusiasm in your life. Let's see your next card. The Queen of Pentacles. Wow. So during the weekend, there is going to be opportunities coming your way, money coming your way. So pay attention to those opportunities and the finances. Do not miss on any opportunities because you think they're not good enough or great enough. I also feel that in the coming week you're going to spend a lot of time grooming yourself. Okay, so a salon appointment, or maybe meeting a stylist, or getting your hair done, or some sort of treatment done. So yes, you are going to be paying attention to your outer appearance. I also feel that you during this week, people who are planning to have a baby are going to take steps towards it, take some concrete steps towards it. I also feel that you are going to mother is going to be of importance. Mother or a female, okay, is going to be a focus. All right. Also this week, especially during the weekend, you need to pay attention to your mind, body and soul, and see what message it is trying to give you. Let's see message regarding your health. You got Inner Authority. So willpower is extremely important. One of the important factors, okay, to overcome, issues, all right, apart from the doctor's advice and consultation. So you need to pay attention, you need to increase your willpower and immunity, is what I'm getting from this card. Okay, I'm so sorry today. The dogs are really, want to be a part of my reading too. So we can't do anything as of now. All right, so all right, so this particular card is asking you to have faith and don't give up, okay, on your health. Don't give up. The divine is with you, and increase your willpower and immunity. All right, let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. Oh my God, even group 1 got the same card. So definitely you need to go with the flow and stop resisting change. Yes, the inner knowingness that you have will guide you as to what path you need to take next. So have faith, okay? Have faith. You are on the right path. Your soul is growing. The changes may seem a little bit uncomfortable, but it's important. And see, here the soul is growing, all right? So definitely even your soul is meant for growth in a perfectly amazing way. So just surrender to your soul's journey of growing, all right? Let's see what blessing is coming your way. A blessing of protection. Wow. So this week, okay, the divine is there protecting you. There's nothing, absolutely nothing that you need to worry about or feel insecure about. Okay, a lot of blessing is coming your way, especially with regards to protection. Let's see your finances. You got to do the work. So here this card is asking you to take action. I feel that some of you are going to some of you are going to understand what is your soul's purpose, okay, with regards to work. And you need to take action with regards to following your passion. So take action for the finances to increase, for the abundance to grow. You need to take action. Let's see how you need to take care of yourself. You have got watch a movie. Wow, that is so amazing. So spend some time chilling at home with a loved one, watch a movie, have that popcorn, and be cozy. Just be cozy, okay? And at times a movie can also help to change our perspective towards something, or it may just open us to a way of thinking which we did not have before. So that could be it. Let's see what changes are going to come in your life. You got decisions. So definitely this particular week is very important. There are going to be important decisions that you'll have to make, and not surprisingly, you got the Judgment card too. So in this decision, there would be a man and a woman, okay, who are very successful, who are going to help you in taking this decision, all right, this important decision. So don't feel that you're alone and like how are you going to go ahead with this decision. Don't worry, there is this man and a woman who are going to help you and sort things out for you. All right, so now let's see what your other divination tools are going to tell us. So we'll see your charms, your angel numbers, universe messages, all right? So let me first start with the universe messages. So I am using spatula since 2-3 readings because it really helps me to mix things up pretty well. I feel what does not come in the spatula is not meant to be a part of the reading. All right. Let's pick up some angel numbers. See what I told you, if a particular number is not meant to be a part, then they just don't, they're just to be picked up. Right. Let's pick up some. I always pick the alphabet with my hands because that becomes a bit easier. Let's mix them up. Okay, something just flew. Let's pick up some words. All right. Let me pick up some charms. Okay, sort of mixing that has happened. Now let's see everything one by one. We will first see the universe messages. Let me just separate all that which has got mixed. These are the charms, words. Okay. Alright, so now it looks a little bit better. Okay, so first let's start with the universe messages. You got never give up. So this week they are asking you to to understand that you are protected, you are safe, there is nothing that you need to worry, and have that have that inner authority and don't give up. You got to save the date, so maybe something which is important is going to come up this week. Could be an anniversary, birthday, or somebody else's who is special to you, their birthday or anniversary, or maybe a wedding or some event that you will get invited to, or maybe a birth of some baby or something. Life is a beautiful ride. So I do see that some of you are going to do some short travel. I know the pandemic is going on, but people are still traveling. You got the super mom universe message. So this message is telling you that you need to acknowledge the efforts that your mom has put in bringing you up. Appreciate her, and also you got the Queen of Pentacles. I also feel that if you are a mom, you are going to be super busy, but you even though you are going to be super busy, you're going to manage your career, your finances, your home, your responsibilities beautifully. All right, and that's what the Queen of Pentacles also represents. All right, that's your universe messages. Let's see your words. You got the word carefully, so be very careful with regards to what you are discussing. Okay, don't ensure that you don't leak your secret or anybody else's secrets out. You've got, see how interesting it is. You got, okay, the word mom. Okay, you got it twice. So I feel that some of you, you need, some of you, whose mother has passed on to the other realm is sending love to you. Also the ones, you need to pay attention to your mom, spend some quality time with her, speak to her. You've got the word, let me check over here, joy. So bring some joy in your life, in your mom's life. You got the word person. Okay, so somebody, interestingly guys, you have got two code cards. So definitely, in your week ahead, other people are going to be of importance. Okay, you got mobile, so be very careful of what you're posting on social media, what messages you're sending. You got my mom. Okay, my mom. Okay, you got the word dizzy. So pay attention to your health and don't stay hungry or dehydrated for a very long time. You got the word school, sort of learning and development happening in the week ahead. You got the word Billy, so it could be someone whose name is Billy, or I always say Billy represents cat, it's called cat in Hindi. All right, you got smile. So you need to bring some, you need to spread some joy and smile in other people's life in the week ahead. You got the word Tara. So I feel some of you, Tara means star. So some of you may get some sort of fame in the week ahead. Some of you may pray to goddess green Tara or white Tara. You have got the word, you got the word ever. Okay, over here. Okay, ever. So something which is long lasting and which is of a very long duration is going to happen in the week ahead. Let me just zoom the camera for you to have a good look. There you go. Okay, now let's see your charm. Again, you have got the car. So so transportation is going to be of importance. Some of you may book flight tickets or some sort of train tickets. Some of you may have some car work. If you own a car, there may be some work that you need to get done regarding your car. Some of you may buy a new car or contemplate buying a new car, or you're going to travel via road. Okay, but movement, I can see movement. You got this beautiful nest with this two birds and two eggs. So I feel with this particular charm, all right, again, with the Queen of Pentacles, I did tell you that fertility, some of you are planning to have a baby, are going to take proper action towards it. You got the flower charms, so some of you may receive flowers, or you may give flowers to somebody, or you may buy beautiful flowers. You got the Eiffel Tower. Tower represents growth, stability, so that's going to happen in the week ahead. Now let's see what alpha angel numbers you got. You got 2 2s. Okay, 2 2s means have faith, and interestingly, your health message is also to have faith. All right, and 7 means you're on the right path. 5 means there are going to be changes coming your way in the week ahead. Let's see your alphabets. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, or somebody else's first name, middle name, last name, which is of importance, or there's some word that is there in this alphabet which want your attention. All right, so these are the alphabets. Too many E's and too many I's. All right, apart from I's and E's, you got P, U, V, N, A. So the word that is standing out for me is pen, which means you need to communicate effectively in the week ahead. All right, so this was your message, guys. Let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to guide us. So think about a question for the week ahead, and yeah, mobile could also mean an important message that is going to come in the week ahead. So think about a question, guys, and let me spin the wheel for you. Wow, you have got this between jackpot and maybe. Okay, So maybe you will get a jackpot. So raise your vibration so that you are in the energy of jackpot. Okay, so that's it, guys. I will see you next week. Take care. Bye bye. Hello, group 3. So let's see how your week is going to be. I hope you had a fantastic week. Had an amazing Valentine's Day too. So let's begin with your cards. We'll first see what changes are going to come your way. All right, let me keep the cards straight. Okay. Let's see what changes are going to come in your week ahead. Oops, sorry, I shook the camera. All right, let's see how you need to nurture yourself in the week ahead, how you can take good care of yourself. Let's see what blessings are going to come your way. I feel group 3 is confused about something. There's a lot of clumsiness happening. There's a lot of, confusion, okay? Let's see message regarding your finances. Let's see message regarding your health. Let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week ahead. All right, now let's see your tarot cards. Okay. All right, let's begin. We'll start first with your tarot cards. All right, let me just straighten this. All right. The first card that you have got is the Page of Pentacles. So definitely learning, education is going to be of importance in the week ahead. You are going to appreciate all the help, all the support that the divine is giving you. I also feel that you are going to receive some help from someone unexpected in the week ahead, and even you are going to help people out is what I am feeling. Now let's see your next card. You got the Knight of Swords. So definitely you are going to be unstoppable. You are going to really move ahead. You're not going to take no for an answer. However, it's very important that you tame down your aggression. Please ensure that you keep yourself calm and just don't react. And even if you want to react assertively and not aggressively. This particular card is asking you to kind of be more patient. There is going to be some sort of confrontation that you are going to do, okay, with someone, all right, and be assertive in that confrontation and don't be like aggressive. Now let's see your next card. You got the Ace of Swords. So definitely you are going to be very practical, focused, goal-oriented in the week ahead. There is some sort of planning that you are going to do. As I said, you got two sword cards, which means a lot of, you're going to take a lot of practical steps in the week ahead. Some of you may even work towards your goal. You're going to be so focused and so determined to ensure, you're going to ensure that you get all the work done. All right, so that's going to be your focus. All right, now let's see. Interestingly, you have got two court cards. So again, other people will be of importance in the week ahead, especially people who are younger to you. All right, and there would be some new beginnings. I also feel in the coming week ahead you are going to spend time in paperwork, documentation is what I'm getting. When I look at the cards, the story that these cards are telling me, okay, over here this card is telling me that in the beginning of the week there will be some sort of help which you may give to someone. However, this person may take advantage of you, which may really irritate you, and or it can be so that in the week ahead you are going to help the ones whom you think are deserving, and you're going to you're going to really ensure that people who don't deserve your help are, or who are being very mean to you, you are going to handle them, but just ensure that you handle them kindly and assertively. And once you have handled them, you will just keep your sword down. You'll be like, I had enough of this confrontation, let me just chill. Okay, let me just kind of take it easy. All right, so yes, you're going to help people, and also you're going to confront people very clearly from these cards, but a lot of paperwork, a lot of action that I can see in the week ahead. Now let's see what you need to surrender in order to have a great week. You need to surrender unhealthy relationships. That's what I love about cards and shuffling on camera. So this is what I told you, right? You're going to let go of toxic relationships. The only thing that you need to ensure is that do it kindly and do it assertively. You don't have to be aggressive or rude. All right, but yes, you're going to let go of relationships and toxic people. Okay, so it's so beautifully written. Let go of relationships that don't serve you, including unavailable or toxic people. You deserve to be treasured by others and to be surrounded by positive people. So that's a choice that you are going to make in the week ahead. Removing toxic people and encouraging people who are good for your emotional health and surrounding. Health wise, you need to listen to your intuitive feelings. Your intuition has been guiding you, so listen to it. Many a times our intuition will guide us to get a checkup done, or to drink more water, or to eat more healthy food. So you need to listen to your intuition. All right, let's see message regarding your finances. You got employment change, so there could be some sort of changes that are going to happen at work. Even if you're in business, expect some sort of changes happening. All right, and these changes are going to be good for you in the long run. Some of you may receive a job offer, some of you, let me emphasize on that. Also it's time that you pay attention to your dreams. Okay, whatever your dream or passion is, pay attention to it and bring it to fruition. Let's see what blessing is coming. Your blessing of protection. Wow. So in this whole see, at times God removes some people from our life, because that's the way of God's way of protecting us. So it is said God's rejection is actually God's protection. So this is what I feel is going to be happening in the week ahead, but you're going to be safeguarded, you're going to be protected. Let's see how you need to nurture yourself. Connect with the earth. And interestingly, you got the Page of Pentacles, which is an earth element. So I feel that you are going to pay attention. You're going to do some meditation regarding Mother Earth. You're going to spend some time in crystals. You may buy some crystals, or you may just plant a tree, or you may add some sort of nature element in your home in the week ahead. Let's see what changes are going to come your way. You got decisions. Oh my god, these are similar cards. Okay, so this week some very important decisions you're going to make, especially with regards to your relationships. All right, and these decisions are very important, as they are going to really help you to focus on your work. Because when you let go of toxic people, people who are unavailable, you save up on the energy which you otherwise would have unnecessarily invested in these kind of people. Okay, so you kind of save on that. So a lot of important decisions you're going to take in the week ahead. So all the best, guys. So this is what your cards are saying. Now let's see your other divination tools, what they are trying to tell us. Okay, we will start with the alphabets. Let me see, mix them up first with my spatula. And let's see what let's pick up some words. Okay. All right, there you go. Pick up some angel number. Alright, let's pick up some charms. Let's pick up some universe messages. Okay. So the best part about using a spatula is only those messages which are meant to be will kind of come up. Otherwise they will just not come up, even if I intentionally try to remove them. Okay, all right, so let's first bifurcate this. Words we will put over here. Let's see the charms. Let me keep it like this. All right. Okay, so first let's start with the words. You've got caterpillar, so definitely there is going to be a transformation happening in your life. All right, let me keep it over here. You got the next word, chocolate. Interesting, sort of sweet. You may get chocolates as gift, or you may eat some chocolates. You got grapes, sort of food. Okay, healthy food and junk food happening this week. You got bee Okay, be. All right, so be yourself. You got men. All right, you've got picnic. Okay, so some of you are going to have some beautiful moments with friends and family. You got sell. So maybe you are going to sell something in the week ahead. You got think, so pay attention and think before acting, which I did tell you with the Knight of Swords. So think before you react. All right, and this word is just to. Okay, to be. I think you're going to have a decision. Which, let me just zoom it. There's going to be a decision where it will be like to be or not to be. All right, now let's see some the charms that you got. You got the heavy weight. No, I think this person is hanging, okay, from this particular um, object. All right, so hang in there, hang in there. See how interesting it is. You got the butterfly. So what I feel over here is, where's the caterpillar word? Where's that? So I feel, some of you are like, why have I not transformed from a caterpillar to a butterfly? Or why my life is always a caterpillar and when it is going to be a butterfly? So the reason, okay, if you become a butterfly, there's a possibility that you may get captured, okay? So that is why right now is not the time for you to turn into a butterfly from a caterpillar, okay? So that is the reason you are right now in the caterpillar mode. All right, you have got this particular person who seems to be taking someone's gift, okay? So you are going to remove the ones who are only taking from you. So all these people, okay, who just take away from you, you're going to remove them out of your life. You got the pig pick charms, so declutter, cleanse your space, and also focus on your savings. They're so cute, isn't it? So cute. All right, you got the rabbit, and interestingly, guys, oh, this is not your, okay. So a rabbit talks about fertility, okay? So you are going to pay attention. Maybe some of you are going to try for a baby. Now let's see what you have got in terms of universe messages, because you got quite a lot of them. You got storm don't last forever. So this thing is not forever, okay? You're going to overcome it. You've got Aries, so maybe you are an Aries, or somebody who's an Aries, okay? You got the falling in love emoji, so you're going to spread a lot of love in the week ahead. You got good things come to those who wait. So yes, patience is required. That's why you've got this caterpillar and this butterfly charm, which I just explained to you. So be more patient. Good things will happen to you, provided you also do amazing things, okay? You need to take action. You got be happy, be bright, be you. You got 3 B's, and this was also talking, the word be. So be happy, be bright, be yourself. See, it's I don't agree when people ask you to remain positive all the time, okay? Yes, we are human beings. We're going to have emotions which are going to go up and down, but rather than resisting them or giving energy to them, just be in awareness. All right, when you have emotions which are really upsetting you, just get them out of your system by either writing it down, talking to your friend, okay, or maybe talking to a counselor. All right, but just get out of your system and don't keep on giving energy to it, but don't put it under wraps, okay? Acknowledge it and let it go. Now let's see what alphabets you have got. You got H, E, U, 2 U's. So you are important, okay? O, F. This could be your first name, middle name, last name, initials, your full name maybe, or maybe some word which okay, which needs your attention. All right, so these are the alphabets: EHWOFEELJ. All right. So, and you got the angel number, interestingly, 32 and 23. So have faith. All the ascended masters, God, goddess, and archangels, they are with you, supporting you, loving you. You're not alone. Wow, guys, that is so amazing. Now let's see what your Wheel of Fortune is going to tell us. So let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, now think about a question for the week ahead, and I will spin the wheel for you. The answer is no. So whatever you asked for, the answer is no. But you know what? Good things come to those who wait. So this is what the cards are telling us. Have a great week ahead, and I look forward to reading your comments. Thank you so much for all the love that you're giving my channel and me. It keeps me so motivated and happy to keep on doing different kinds of readings. Take care, guys. Bye bye.